Anonymous trader, I teach, I trade. Subscribe. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Here it is, Anonymous Trader. In today's video, I'll be showing us now to register for the June competition that is on MyFundedFX. I'll be showing us now to register for a monthly competition on MyFundedFX. Competition happens every month on MyFundedFX. This competition is for the month of June. It will be starting tomorrow. You'll be able to start trading tomorrow. If I go out in the chat right now, then if I want to enter trade, I just have to click on this. I'll be seeing something like trading is disabled. Trading will be enabled tomorrow. I'll be taking us through on how to get started. I'll be taking us through how to register for the competition. Okay, so if you don't have MyFundedFX account, what you have to do is you have to go out to register. I'll be dropping the link to register in this video description. Immediately you register, you'll be taken over to the dashboard. Okay, you have to go over to this competition. You have to click on competition. Once you click on competition, you'll be seeing different competition they are holding presently. So you'll be seeing this incoming competition. This particular competition is for the month of June. There's this amount in cash prizes to be won plus a challenge account. For you to register, just click on this register. Immediately you register, you'll be sent a notification to your Gmail. You'll be sent a notification to the particular email you used to register the account. You'll be sent a mail when you register for this competition. You'll be given a login number, your password, the starting balance, a broker, and also the platform you're supposed to use. And you'll also be seeing the server here. What you have to do is you have to go over to login. Just go to copy the account number, copy the password. You have to go over to your MT5. The platform they are using for the competition is MT5. Just click on this MT5. Then just go over to add an account. You have to click on that manage account. Then you may see this plus icon. Just click on the plus icon. You have to find your broker. Okay, I've already copied my broker. I'll just paste it in. Then I'll search for it. I'll just select this. You'll be given an account number. Just enter your account number and also your password. Then you'll be logged in successfully. I've logged in into the competition account and I was given this particular amount. For me to be part of the winners, what I need to do is I need to follow their rules and regulation. I'll just be going back. Okay, I'll just click on this. For you to be part of the winners, you need to follow these their rules and regulation. Okay, you have to follow their rules for their monthly free competition. There's 5% daily drawdown, 8% maximum drawdown on the amount you were given, no expert advisor. You must use 5 months locks limit for all your assets. News trading is allowed and also swing trading is allowed. Once you follow these rules without missing any, you'll be part of the winner. Then you'll be given the particular amount. You'll be receiving the cash prizes and also you'll be given a challenge account. Just go ahead to register. Then just go out to competition to get your competition accounts. Goodbye guys and stay tuned for next updates.